Hello and welcome. In this video, we will write our first bash script. So to write the bash script, we need a Linux system. So I have created 4 VMs on my machine, and this is the Vagrant file. We will be using these VMs to learn bash scripting. We'll execute our bash script from this VM, which we are calling as script box. And then we have 3 more VMs here, web 1, web 2, and web 3. So we will also, in the further lectures, we'll see how to do remote execution and do automation on these 3 web servers. So I have already brought up my VM. It's already up and running. I'm going to log in to my script box. In this VM, I'm going to write all my scripts. script script box. I'm in the wrong directory, so let me go to script VMs directory. This is where I have my Vagrant file, and let me log in now. Okay, I'm logged in. Let me become the root user. Sudo -i, clear the screen, and let's create a directory here called as scripts, or rather I should rename it as scripts, plural. Yes. Good. So in this directory, this is the path. In this directory, we are going to write our scripts. So let's write our first script. A script is a text file where we mention a series of commands which we execute on the bash shell. That's what is called as bash script. So we are going to write a text file, and we will use VI editor. So I will name the script as print, because all we'll do here is we'll print some messages. The extension of the shell script will be .sh. So the full name of the script will be print.sh. Let's hit enter. So it opens up a text file. The first line in your script is going to be shebang character, #! Here you specify the path of the interpreter, bin bash. Now this interpreter makes it as a bash script. Whatever I write down here will be executed on this interpreter, which is a bash shell. So when I execute the script, it will open up an interpreter and execute all that I have written in this script. So let's write our first statement, which will be printing echo. With echo, we can print messages from our script. So we can put the message in double quote or in single quote. So I'll use double quote, and I will say, welcome to bash scripting. And I can print more messages. If I just write an echo statement without any message, it will print a blank line, which sometimes may be of our interest. This is our first script. Fine. This is a very simple bash script. It's just going to print 3 messages. 2 are text messages, 1 is a blank line. Now let's save this. So I have written the script named as print.sh. Script has to be in executable format. It should have executable mode, then only it will execute. So if you see, it doesn't have executable mode for user or the group or others. So I will write chmod a+x for all, give the executable permission. Okay, my script is executable now. To execute the script, you have to give the path of the script. So dot / dot means current working directory, / and the name of the script. Hit enter and it will execute whatever is there in the script. So we have 3 echo statement, one with message, one with blank line, and one with another message. Now there are other ways also of executing the script. I have given a relative path to execute the script. I can give the absolute path also. Root scripts print.sh. This is one way. We have one more way of executing the script. In that method, you don't even need to give your file executable permission. You can give the interpreter path bin bash and you can give the script name. Even if I remove the executable permission for the script, I would be able to execute it with proper path. Okay, so that was our first script. So you write the script in the text file, you make it executable, and there are 3 different ways of executing the script. I will see you in the next video where we'll learn more about bash scripting.